This really is a beautiful part of Florida. It's right on the Atlantic coastline, so there's always a cool breeze, and I love the crashing waves. The Hammock Beach Resort is just the perfect place for any kind of getaway. I love it for a girls' weekend, relaxing, reading books, maybe going horseback riding. It's really lovely for a little romantic weekend, and it's also top-notch for a family vacation. The beach is amazing with that cinnamon-colored sand. You can take a walk every day and soak up that fresh salt air. And there's world-class golf with 3 courses. The stunning Oceanside course is rated a top 100, and it's designed by Jack Nicklaus. 6 of its holes, you're looking directly out at the Atlantic. And there's nothing more romantic than dining at the Atlantic Grill with these beautiful windows overlooking the ocean. And of course, they have the most amazing seafood dishes. And there are endless things to do here. They have a great spa. You can get a facial, you can get a hot stone massage, you can ride bikes, you can play tennis. There are plenty of pools. There's a serene setting just for adults, and there are splashy areas for the kids. Our kids, they love coming here. I mean, who can pass up that giant slide and the lazy river? The resort is in a great location, right between Central Florida and Northeast Florida. And while there are fabulous restaurants on property, there are great restaurants nearby and a grocery store. And quirky Flagler Beach is just down the road with a gorgeous shoreline, funky little shops, and plenty of craft food options. It is definitely top of my list for a treat vacation, or even just a weekend getaway. Come check it out.